Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So go to shopify.com right here, and once you open it up for the first time, if you have already not logged into your account, here in the upper right corner you are going to go and be able to see the option to go and sign up for a free account if you have not already, or log into an existing one. So once you've signed up and logged in, this is going to be immediately the main page that you're going to be transferred to. This is going to be your store from where we can get started setting it up. So if you have just created your store, this is going to be the home page you're going to see. From here, you're going to go and be able to give your store a name by tapping right here and customizing your store name, email, and so on. We can go back, and from here, we can also go ahead and access all the other options. We can set up a payment provider, set up shipping rates, and so on. And we have the option right here. This is the when they are offering you every time you go and create a new store to go ahead and use this discount code right here to get 3 months for €1 per month for free. So you can get started selecting a plan that you want to use. It's going to take you to this new page from where you can get started selecting what you want to use. So that is how to get started. Right here on the left side of the screen, you can find all the other sections you have for customizing your store, such as managing your orders, adding products to your store, getting started with setting up your store. This is the main idea. You're going to go and be adding products. From there, people are going to go and be able to purchase it. Your online store section is right here as well, so you can go ahead and explore it for yourself and get started with setting up your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.